Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Some players have been experiencing issues when downloading Marvel Rivals on Xbox console and stating on screen, "Oops. Not sure what happened there. Please try again later." Regardless of the cause, in this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the error mentioned above, so just follow through the given guidelines. Method 1. Sign out and sign in back. Go to Profile and System, then select Sign Out. Restart the Xbox console and sign in again. Try download the game and see if the problem is fixed. Method 2. Clearing the alternative MAC address. Go to Settings. Go to General. Select Network Settings. Now, select Advanced Settings. Select Alternate MAC address. Select Clear. Restart your console, then try download the game and see if the issue persists. Method 3. Use manual DNS. On the home screen, go to Settings. Select General. Select Network Settings. Select Advanced Settings. Select DNS Settings. Select Manual. Here, I will use Cloudflare DNS. I will type 1.1.1.1 as the primary IPv4 DNS. Then type 1.0.0.1 for the secondary IPv4 DNS. Additionally, you can also try with other DNS such as Google DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Once done, press the menu button on your controller to save, then try download the game and see if the problem is fixed. Method 4. Use manual alternate port selection. Go to Settings. Go to Network Settings. Go to Advanced Settings. Go to Alternate Port Selection. Select Manual. Now, try choose next one down in list. Select Continue, then try download the game and see if the problem is gone. If not working, please come back here, then try one by one port in list. Method 5. Download the game from Xbox app on your phone. To do that, you need install Xbox app on your phone. You can download it from Google Play Store or Apple Store. Once you have the Xbox app on your phone, then open it, then sign in your account, then link your phone app to your Xbox. Search the game, then download it, and it should downloading for you now. Method 6. Factory reset the Xbox console. To do so, go through the following instructions. Go to Settings. Go to System. Select Console Info. Now, select Reset Console. Then, Xbox will show you the following three options. Option 1. Reset and remove everything. Option 2. Reset and keep my apps and games. And Option 3, Cancel. The first option will reset your console and also delete everything from your console. Hence, if you have saved all your games to the cloud, you can select this option. But if your saves are not on the cloud, we suggest you select the Reset and Keep My Apps and Games option. This will reset your Xbox console without deleting your game data. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.